In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. This process is essential for keeping track of important project phases and ensuring your team remains on schedule. Let's dive right in. First, open or create your project board in Monday.com. Typically, this could be something like a project roadmap or a campaign launch plan. If your board doesn't already have a date column, you'll want to add one. To do this, click on plus add column and then select date. Name your column something intuitive like due date or milestone date. This will allow you to easily visualize when milestones are scheduled. Next, let's create a milestone item. Start by clicking on plus new item. Here you can type the name of your milestone. For example, you might enter website launch, design approval, or phase 1 completion. After naming your milestone, set the date to reflect when this milestone will occur. A handy tip is to clearly label these milestones, possibly using a prefix like to distinguish them from regular tasks. Now, if you're working with the timeline or Gantt View, you have the option to visually mark this date as a milestone. Navigate to the timeline or Gantt View in your board. Click on the three-dot menu in the View's menu bar and select Mark as Milestone. Select the items you wish to highlight as milestones. You'll now notice a diamond-shaped icon representing your milestone on the timeline, making it stand out more distinctly. If you want to make your milestone more noticeable, consider adding a status column labeled Type. Create options within this column such as Task and Milestone. For each milestone, set the status explicitly to Milestone. Doing this allows for easier filtering so you can quickly see all key project checkpoints. Milestones will appear differently depending on the view you're using. In the timeline view, milestones display as diamonds on specified dates. In the Gantt view, they highlight major events along the project bar. If you are using calendar view, milestone dates are clearly displayed with labels. To focus solely on milestones, apply a filter such as Type else Milestone to your board. Moving forward, consider automating milestone alerts to keep your team informed. Click on Automate at the top of your board and choose a recipe like when milestone date arrives, notify someone, or when status changes to milestone, notify the team. You can even customize your alert messages, perhaps saying, milestone reached, milestone name, is scheduled for today. Finally, track progress toward these milestones. Add a progress tracking column to see how close your tasks are to completion. An example automation could be, when all subitems are done, notify the project manager that the milestone is ready. This ensures everyone is on the same page and tasks are aligned with project goals. That's all it takes to successfully add and manage milestones in Monday.com. With these steps, your team will stay organized and focus on what truly matters. Happy planning!